Now, the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition party has settled on Ugunja Mp Opiyo Wandayi as the majority leader in the National Assembly, while Kilifi Senator Stewards Madzayo will be the minority leader in the Senate. Suna East Member of Parliament Junet Mohammed will be the majority chief whip in the National Assembly, deputized by nominated Mp Sabina Chege, while Isiolo Senator Fatuma Dullow will be the minority leader in the Senate. And as our senior political affairs reporter tells us, the Azimio leadership has insisted that they will defend the 4 IEBC commissioners from any attacks from the Kenya Kwanza government.
Two-day retreat by legislators affiliated to Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition party and led by their leader Raila Odinga, a consensus on the leadership that will represent Azimio in the 13th parliament was reached in the National Assembly. Ugunja Mp Opiyo Wandayi, who is now serving for a 3rd term and formerly the chairman of Parliamentary Accounts Committee in the 12th parliament, has been nominated to the majority leader position. He will be deputized by Kathiani MP Robert Mbui, who was elected on a Wiper Party ticket. Suna East MP Junet Mohammed has managed to retain his seat as a chief whip, only that this time round he will be a majority chief whip. He will be deputized by Jubilee-nominated MP Sabina Chege. Both Opiyo Wandayi and Junet Mohammed are ODM MPs.
Let it be known to all and sundry, the leaders in Azimio Oka are not interested in any jobs whatsoever from the executive. We already have a lot of work to do, as we have demonstrated even this afternoon, keeping the executive under check.
In the Senate, Azimio has the minority numbers. The members settled on Kilifi Senator Stewards Madzayo as the minority leader. Madzayo is serving for a 3rd term as Kilifi Senator. He will be deputized by Kitui Senator Enoch Wambua, who was elected on a Wiper Party ticket. The position of minority whip will be represented by Isiolo Senator Fatuma Dullow, who was elected on a Jubilee ticket, and she will be deputized by Nairobi Senator Edwin Sifuna, who was elected on an ODM ticket.
There was extensive consultations about several issues that are current in our country, which reflects the deliberations that have taken place among leadership of Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition.
The next step is for the Azimio leadership to formally write to both speakers and inform them of their resolutions. While insisting that there is need of reforming IEBC, the Azimio leadership stated that they are ready to defend the 4 IEBC commissioners whom they claimed are under threat.
Plans have already been initiated to hound out of office the 4 IEBC commissioners, namely Juliana Cherera, Francis Wanderi, Irene Masit, and Justice Nyangaya, plus the Deputy CEO, very hard-working Madam Ruth Kulundu, for refusing to toe the line. We totally condemn this brazen act of witch hunt and demand that the President and his agents leave those officers alone.
Martha Karua's NAK Kenya party, however, did not get any slot in both houses, given that there was no MP or senator elected on NAK Kenya. Chris Dairo, KTN News, Nairobi.
Right, and that story leads us to a big question tonight. We ask, should decamping members of Azimio count on who